Let's build a React Firebase chat app in minutes, not hours. The secret? We're using AI. First, we'll quickly bootstrap a new React project using the standard create React app command. Next, we'll install the official Firebase SDK to connect to our backend services. Now for the game changer. We're using Workik, a powerful AI coding assistant right inside VS Code. Instead of coding, we simply tell the AI what we want. A React chat app using Firebase for auth and Firestore as the database. Workik instantly architects the entire application. It generates the Firebase config, an authentication context for user state, the main chat component, the login page, and refactors app.js to tie it all together. It even provides the CSS and a secure .env file for our keys. All we do is copy and apply the code. With the code ready, we'll quickly create a project in the Firebase console, enable Google authentication, and grab our API keys. We'll paste those keys into our .env file and run npm start. Just like that, our app is running, built from a single prompt. Let's sign in. Real-time messaging works perfectly, but the app feels basic. It's time for an AI-powered upgrade. Let's add an emoji picker. A new prompt is all it takes. Install and implement emoji support in the chat app. Workik knows the best library, gives us the install command, and generates the updated component code and CSS. We just apply the changes. Zero research needed. Let's restart the app. And there it is, a fully functional emoji picker, seamlessly integrated. This is iterative development supercharged. Let's push it further. We'll ask for multiple chat rooms and message deletion, all in a single complex request. Workik understands the complex logic. It architects new components for room management, intelligently refactors existing code, and updates the styling. It's doing the work of an experienced developer in seconds. Let's run the final version. Our app now has multiple chat rooms we can switch between effortlessly. Notice the delete icon on each message. Let's try it. Gone. It works perfectly. We can even clear an entire room with the delete all messages button. Our app is now feature complete and robust. From an empty folder to a complex application in just minutes. This is the power of AI-driven development. Try Workik for free and accelerate your projects today.